Well, hello, Ed Roselle here, Horsepower Marketing, Ultra Pure Living. I want to do a shout out to my friend and mentor Rachel S. Lee, is sponsoring a Black Friday special starting Monday. The free training is Monday for her online traffic ecosystem. We've been in that training for a month or so now, and it's quite impressive. It brings together all the pieces of email marketing, Facebook, YouTube, Facebook groups, chat bots, and so on. It brings them all together into a system that feeds on each other and helps grow. It'll help you grow your groups faster. It'll help you find customers, bring them in faster and more completely. So it's pretty awesome. I just wanted to put that out there because the kickoff is Monday at 2 p.m. Pacific time, and I have the link below here somewhere to access that. So it really is worth your while. See you later on another video. Thank you.